In this step, we're going to sew our front to our back. So when you're doing this, please be careful that you do stay along the 1/2 inch seam allowance, and also make sure that you only take out one pin at a time. Now, you should have threaded your machine with your thread and bobbin. You will need a pair of scissors and your magnet when you take out the pins. All right, now we're going to start at these marks that we made when we made our opening. You're going to start at this mark over here on the right hand side, okay? I'm going to take out my first pin because it's right where that mark is. I'm going to line up the edge of the fabric with the 4/8 inch seam allowance. Again, starting at that mark, make a knot. 1, 2, 3, and 3 in reverse. 1, 2, 3. Very important you make a knot though, because that will get a lot of stress on it when you turn it and stuff it. Alright, and I'm going to start sewing, and I'm going to be really careful that I stay along that 4/8. And when you come to any attachments, any arms, legs, ears, you may have to press it down to get over it. Take out pins as you come to them. And now, fleece fabric stretches a little bit, so be cautious that it doesn't stretch too much and you sew off of the other piece. Alright, at a corner, make sure your needle is not in. You're going to pivot, turn it to go up the first side. Alright, make sure your presser foot is down. I'm always watching that 4/8 inch line. Now I'm coming to the top where there's a curve, so I want a nice curve along the 4/8. Again, I'm doing the frog and the ears are up the top, so I need to press it down. So anytime you have an attachment, you may need to press it down a little bit. Okay, I'm coming to that curve on the other side, so make sure you do a nice curve. Make sure the fabrics are even. Pivot, so needle dot in, raise your presser foot, turn, and I am down the home stretch here. So don't pass up that mark for your opening or you will be seam ripping. Make a knot, 3 in reverse, 1, 2, 3, and 3 forward, 1, 2, 3. Stop with your take-up lever all the way up. Pull your fabric out. These 2 pins can come out. Cut your threads there. Cut your threads over here. Trim your 2 corners so that you get rid of this bulkiness for when you turn the corners. I mean, when you turn the pillow and poke out the corners. I need a little bit sharper scissors, but okay, and the next step is turning the pillow to the right side.